video. Today we are doing a challenge, and we love challenges, especially when they're slime. So whenever Elmers Glue contacted us to do the What If Mystery Unboxing Challenge, we couldn't say no.
So today we're going to be taking slime where it's never been taken before. Are you ready?
Sure. Oh.
What is that?
Whoa! It's interesting. It's something.
I don't even know. A lot of levers.
Oh.
We challenge you to make the first ever taffy slime.
Whoa!
Oh, it's a taffy machine.
Oh! So we're gonna take this inside and we're gonna make some taffy slime. So we have set this taffy machine up, and now it's time for us to open up our mystery boxes.
Wow, that is a lot of stuff.
It's time for my box. We have a ton of glitter, like a lot of glitter in this box.
Yes.
Now it's time for us to make our slime.
I'm going to put clear glue in now. Less than
You?
yeah.
I do. Can you see it that well? I'm adding lotion. All right, time for magical liquid. Or actually, my hand's kind of stuck to it. I'm a little
Oh,
worried.
I'm just doing it, John.
I'm getting on
Oh,
there.
wow.
Feel like it's going down or something.
It's going to like wipe your hand.
Oh, geez. Get in the bowl.
3, 2,
Go.
1, go!
Maybe. Ooh,
Jonah's got it.
I do.
Taffy slime.
Kinda. A little bit.
See, if I just let it fall onto it, then I guess that works, you know?
Jonah's succeeded.
I've done it.
Emma's getting there.
Wow, okay, wow.
Wow, Jonah, just let yours keep going, huh?
Wow, Jonah. This is, I'm sorry, lady, but mine kind of looks better than hers.
It
Jonah
does.
has
That's good.
succeeded.
Mine's
Wow.
just going.
That looks so good.
Oh no. Did you see that?
Oh,
Ooh, it's mixing itself too much.
I'm gonna try and add.
You know what?
You know, that wasn't gonna work. It's too liquid.
Add some to a clump that you're going to have to it.
I'm doing that. What's your
Uh-oh.
Oh, we got Jonah's
Ooh,
breaking. Oh, it's going back.
it's going wrong.
This is...
I'm doing it.
Look, Emma's!
I'm doing it.
Oh, Emma's!
Yeah.
Now that's what
We've
I call
done it.
taffy slime. I mean, they both kind of look like stuff that would be taffy color.
Maybe Taffy world.
I'm gonna add glue and see how it reacts. Look how cool mine look. All right.
Wow, it looks so good.
Mine looks so pretty. Oh, it's
Mine's stringing.
all right. It's time for me to add glue.
Wow, it looks really good.
It looks
Oh,
like
oh geez.
Whoa.
It tore right as I added it. It's working. I see glitter in there.
uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
There's a
sister.
big glob of mine. Ooh, mine's so like bubbly now. Mine's getting very
This is
fluffy.
beautiful.
Yeah. I'm getting mother points.
Mine does not look how it used to.
I'm going to add something. Oh geez. Oh man. Oh,
Oh, gee.
I believe in it. It can do it.
Now I just got like a string of
Oh my
glue
God.
on my arm.
It'll work. It's working.
Whoa.
Oh no.
I think you need more glue.
Wow!
I didn't expect
Whoa.
there to be that much in it. Okay. Well.
So we have answered the question of what if we challenge to make you the first ever Taffy slime. The answer is
Got
it's
it.
possible, and we did it, and we have made the first ever Taffy slime, and it looks great. So now we're going to make multiple batches of different colors, and then once we're done making those, we're going to mix them together to make a rainbow slime.
It's a little too easy.
Slime machine.
Both of our little brothers are here to watch us do this. Now we're going to each take half of one of the colors, and we're going to put it on the taffy machine, and then we're going to mix them together. Rainbow taffy slime!
I mean, there's not a lot of red going on, but you.
It's magic liquid.
Magic liquid.
Orange is just basically. Ooh, this is. Can I see it in the purple too?
Grab the slime, and with it came the bowl.
Take the yellow. This is not.
This is working.
Well.
Not really, but kind of.
It's gonna happen.
Okay, that's going on.
That one worked really well.
I
This
mean,
green is great.
yeah. Thanks.
Think that green will bring it together?
Maybe.
It's trying.
Ooh, it's watermelon. This looks really cool. Mine's watermelon.
Mine's.
Yours is waffle.
You gotta like do it really fast. Ooh, I put it in like strips.
I've just been putting it on.
Hand me the gun. I can rip it apart. Mine looks so pretty. It's like a gradient. Purple time. Purple time.
There's this time. So, the orange.
I'm gonna add glitter to mine for the fun of it.
That.
Did it hit? Oh no, it's getting very cherry. Slime time. Ooh.
Nice.
I'm gonna add in some of mine. Wow, that is a lot. So now we're gonna take this sort of clear slime and we're gonna make it rainbow with food coloring. Okay, now.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know if that worked out the way we wanted it to,
Hey, it's looking pretty good.
but it's
Oh.
doing it. Oh no.
There, add a little bit of vanilla.
It does look nice. It looks pretty. Oh.
And it's going.
It looks beautiful.
It sure does.
It came through.
Yeah.
It looked pretty for 1 second. Oh.
And done.
I
like this one because it looks very ugly.
like this one because
It's gray.
this is all of our slimes mixed together.
And honestly, that's just really nice.
And we did answer the question, what if we challenge you to make the first ever taffy slime? And the answer is, we would be victorious because it was really fun and I liked it a lot. And thank you, Elmers, for sending us this taffy machine.
Make sure to follow the hashtag ElmersWhatIf so you can catch other epic slime videos from other creators.
And comment down below your what if wacky ideas. So thank you once again to Elmers for sponsoring this video and sending us this amazing taffy machine. And thank you for watching. watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow on Twitter, and peace out, YouTube.
Bye, gamers.
Click these rectangles, which may or may not be there, to watch our videos, and click this circle, which is on Jonah's side, I believe,
Yeah, that's me.
to subscribe.